The digestive system plays a crucial role in our overall well-being. When it functions optimally, it breaks down food into nutrients, which the body uses for energy, growth, and cell repair. However, for many, digestive health can be a source of discomfort. Issues like bloating, gas, and indigestion are common complaints. Modern diets and lifestyles often neglect digestive health. Many people consume highly processed foods that are low in essential nutrients. This can overwhelm the digestive system and lead to various problems. One way to support digestion naturally is through the use of digestive enzymes. These enzymes help break down food into smaller, absorbable components. In this essay, we will explore the top health benefits of digestive enzymes. Digestive enzymes are proteins that catalyze the breakdown of food into smaller molecules. They are essential for proper digestion and nutrient absorption. There are three primary types of digestive enzymes: protease, lipase, and amylase. Each type targets a specific component of food: proteins, fats, and carbohydrates, respectively. Protease enzymes break down proteins into amino acids. Lipase enzymes focus on breaking down fats into fatty acids and glycerol. Amylase enzymes are responsible for breaking down carbohydrates into simple sugars like glucose. Carbohydrates are a primary energy source, and amylase ensures that they are broken down quickly and efficiently. Without amylase, the body would have difficulty processing complex carbs, which could lead to digestive discomfort. Understanding these enzymes and their functions is the first step in appreciating their importance. By knowing how each enzyme works, we can better understand how they contribute to overall digestive health. Protease enzymes play a critical role in protein digestion. Proteins are large, complex molecules that need to be broken down into amino acids for absorption. Protease enzymes work by cleaving the peptide bonds that hold amino acids together. Lipase enzymes are essential for fat digestion. Fats are hydrophobic, meaning they do not dissolve in water. Lipase enzymes, produced by the pancreas, work in the small intestine to break down dietary fats into fatty acids and glycerol. Amylase enzymes are crucial for carbohydrate digestion. The process starts in the mouth, where salivary amylase begins breaking down starches into simpler sugars. As the food moves to the small intestine, pancreatic amylase takes over, further breaking down carbohydrates into glucose. Each of these enzymes has a specific role, but they all work together to ensure complete digestion. Digestive enzymes can be particularly beneficial for addressing common digestive issues. Bloating, gas, and indigestion are frequent complaints that many people experience. Digestive enzymes can help alleviate these symptoms by improving the efficiency of the digestive process. Bloating often results from the incomplete breakdown of food, leading to the production of gas. This can happen when the body lacks sufficient digestive enzymes. Supplementing with enzymes like protease, lipase, and amylase can help ensure food is broken down more completely, reducing the likelihood of gas and bloating. Indigestion often occurs when food sits in the stomach for too long, leading to discomfort and pain. Enzyme supplementation can help speed up the digestive process, reducing the chances of indigestion. By addressing the root causes of these common digestive issues, digestive enzymes can provide significant relief. They offer a natural and effective way to improve digestive health and enhance overall well-being. Beyond alleviating common digestive issues, digestive enzymes offer broader health benefits. one of the most significant is the maintenance of gut health. A healthy gut is crucial for overall well-being, as it is involved in nutrient absorption, immune function, and even mental health. By improving digestion, enzymes help maintain a balanced gut microbiome, which is essential for these functions. Digestive enzymes also play a role in boosting immunity. The gut is home to a large portion of the body's immune system, and proper digestion is key to maintaining immune health. By breaking down food efficiently, enzymes help prevent the overgrowth of harmful bacteria and support the growth of beneficial bacteria. Enhanced nutrient absorption is another major benefit of digestive enzymes. When food is thoroughly broken down, the body can absorb vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients more effectively. These benefits make digestive enzymes a valuable addition to any health regimen. Supporting enzyme production naturally can be achieved through diet and supplementation. One of the best ways to boost enzyme production is by eating a diet rich in raw fruits and vegetables. These foods naturally contain enzymes that aid in digestion. Pineapple, for example, contains bromelain, a protease enzyme, while papaya contains papain, another protease. Including these foods in your diet can help support your body's enzyme needs. Fermented foods are another excellent source of natural enzymes. Foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi are rich in beneficial bacteria and enzymes. These foods not only support digestion, but also contribute to a healthy gut microbiome. Hydration is also crucial for enzyme function. Enzymes require a proper fluid environment to work effectively. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day can help maintain the appropriate conditions for enzyme activity. By incorporating enzyme-rich foods, staying hydrated, and considering supplementation when necessary, you can help ensure optimal digestive health. In conclusion, digestive enzymes play a vital role in maintaining overall health. They are essential for breaking down food into absorbable nutrients, ensuring that the body can utilize the food we eat effectively. Digestive enzymes like protease, lipase, and amylase each have specific roles in the digestive process, working together to support optimal digestion. By addressing common digestive issues such as bloating, gas, and indigestion, digestive enzymes can provide significant relief. They also offer broader health benefits, including supporting gut health, boosting immunity, enhancing nutrient absorption, and positively impacting mental well-being. Supporting enzyme production naturally is achievable through dietary choices and supplementation. Eating enzyme-rich foods, incorporating fermented foods, staying hydrated, and considering high-quality enzyme supplements can all contribute to optimal digestive health. These practices help ensure that the body has the necessary tools to break down food efficiently and maintain overall well-being. The importance of digestive enzymes cannot be overstated. By understanding their functions and benefits, we can take proactive steps to support our digestive health naturally.